How to transfer notes from Android to iPhone. This tutorial shows you how to seamlessly move all your notes using Google Keep on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Google Keep in the search bar. Following that, tap on Install to download Google Keep. Wait for the app to install completely. Now, open the Google Keep application. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Moving forward, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right to create a new note. Write whatever content you want to transfer to your iPhone. Type your notes, add checklists, or paste text you want to keep. Afterwards, tap outside the note to save it automatically. Google Keep saves everything to the cloud instantly. Repeat this for all the notes you want to transfer. Create as many notes as you need. All your notes are now saved to your Google account. When you switch to your iPhone, simply open the App Store. Search for Google Keep and download it. Log in with the same Google account you used on your Android. Once logged in, all your notes will automatically appear on your iPhone. Everything transfers seamlessly without any manual copying or exporting. Your notes, checklists, and reminders will all be there ready to use. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you transfer notes from Android to iPhone, give it a like, subscribe for more transfer tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.